Hello, in this video I'm going to cover the new Robert Madden Industries mobile app. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your App Store and search for the Robert Madden Industries app. I'll search Robert Madden Industries. You'll see the app here. Click download. Once the app downloads, it'll show on your homepage, and so I'll click into the app here. This is where you will log in to your app, and you will use the same credentials, your same username, which is your email, and password as you would on our website. If you don't have a website account with us, you can create a new account by clicking Create Account at the bottom. This will take you to the new shopper registration page of our website. If you forgot your password to your account, you can reset your password here by clicking Reset Password and following these instructions. And then if you already have an account, like I said, you'll log in with your same username and password. And so I will do that here. And you are now signed in to the new RMI Mobile App. Here you'll see a list of tiles that will navigate you to different sections of our website and allow you to do different things. In the top left, I'll start with branch locations. This will give you a list of all the branches, and it's sorted by what is closest to you. So I'm currently located officed out of our South Austin branch. So that one shows up first, then North Austin, and so on. You can click into each of these branches to view more information like our hours, a call text number, which you can click to call or send a text message, and then also directions. You can click the directions, the address to pull up your Maps app, and it'll show you the directions to that branch. You can also view a map view of all of our branches here. Going back to the homepage of the app, the next tile over is Shop Products. This will automatically sign you in to your website account, and so you can search for products here. This will take you to the categories page where you can search by product category. For example, I'll click into residential equipment, click into heat pumps, and then you can see a list of the heat pumps here. You can also search for products using the search bar. In this example, I'll search for horizontal coil, 4-ton horizontal coil, which you see here. You can add this to your list, add it to a cart, or click in to view more details about the product. And then to go back in the top left, you'll see a menu icon, and that'll navigate you back to the homepage of the app. We have a shop brands tile that'll take you to the brands page here. This is where you can click into different brands that we sell at RMI to view products associated with them. The next one down is My Account. This will take you to your My Account dashboard where you can view general information about your account, view recent orders, invoices, and then also run a purchase history report. We have a text branch tile. This is similar to the locations tile. You can click on any of these to call or text a branch. And then we have a quick order pad, which I think is going to be the most useful thing on this mobile app. It's very easy to type in model numbers and quantities and add them to your cart very quickly. So here I'll type in horizontal coil, and you just select the size that you want, add the quantity, and then you can go on to your next item real quick. So I'll type in TH6 to get this thermostat, one of these, oops, one of these, and then you can even type in a keyword like PVC, for example, and it'll list different PVC parts. And so let's say I needed 10 of these for some reason. Add it in there. And then at the very bottom, you'll add these items to your cart. I think I already had a few items added to my cart, so this will add those items in addition to what I already had added here. And so this is your cart view. And then you can proceed with checkout here down at the bottom. Again, I think the quick order pad is probably going to be the most useful thing in this mobile app. And then we also have different resources for you. So we have a resource center that has links to different warranty web pages, manufacturer warranty web pages, AC credit, service bench, and then factory assurance Southwest. We have access to our technical support page, our warranty page of our website. Both of those pages will have contact information for their respective team, whether you need to contact the technical services group or maybe a warranty administrator. And then we have training and events, videos, a tile to pay invoices, which will take you to the invoices page on the My Account dashboard. We have a list of HVAC partners websites that you can click into, promotions, and then also the ability to contact us, which will take you to the contact us page of the website. Here you could submit a contact form with questions or comments. And that covers the new Robert Madden Industries mobile app. In the top left, you'll see menu. This is where you can select to log out or view more information about your profile. As long as you stay signed into the app, you can close out of it at any time. And so I'll just go ahead and close completely out of this app. And then whenever I open it back up, I will automatically be signed back in. And so I can click on shop products and it'll automatically sign me into the website and allow you to shop for products and purchase products right from your phone.